Welcome to Let's Discuss. During the period of quarantine, as we have ample of time. So I had suggested you to learn something in these periods. That's why I had started again this subject, which is very important for everyone to understand the importance of this subject. Generic skills and entrepreneur development. The very first chapter of this subject is Introduction to Generic Skills. Basically, this subject is belongs to the semester 4th of diploma students of civil engineering or every branches. Let's start the first chapter, the Introduction to Generic Skills. Skills are an important part of each and every one's life. स्किल्स जो होती हैं वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होती है हर एक बंदे की उसकी ज़िंदगी में. Skills define the person's ability to work and cope up with the existing working conditions. Skills जो होती हैं वो डिफाइन करती हैं पर्सन्स की एबिलिटी को कि वो कितना केबल है, मीन्स कितना वो एबल टू वर्क, कि वो कितना एबल है वर्क करने के लिए. और कोप अप मीन्स अपनी जो उसकी वर्किंग कंडीशंस हैं उसमें कुछ उसकी तकलीफ़ें आएंगी, वो उसको कैसे उसका मतलब कि उसे निकलता कैसे है. कोप अप विद द एग्जिस्टिंग वर्किंग कंडीशंस. Skills are considered to be the masterpiece of one's own self individuality. A person exhibits different skills from time to time. Skills consist of two types. अब जो ये skills होती हैं वो two types की होती हैं. That is technical skills or educational skills and generic skills. Skills which are acquired by a person while studying are known as technical skills. मतलब कि पहले लाइन में क्या बताया, उसने बताया कि skills consist of two types की होती हैं. Technical skills कहो या फिर educational skill कहो, this is one. And second is generic skill. अब जो skills जो acquire करता है एक person while studying, पढ़ते हुए, उसको हम कहते हैं technical skills. Technical skills exhibit the person's ability to deal with the problems technically related to one's own field. Generic skills are the skills which an individual learns from the beginning of his life. This is the most important part of this paragraph, is that कि फर्स्टली इसमें उसने बताया कि स्किल्स जो होती हैं वो टू टाइप्स की होती हैं, टेक्निकल स्किल्स एंड जेनरिक स्किल्स. एंड द स्किल्स विच आर एक्वायर्ड बाय अ पर्सन व्हाइल स्टडिंग आर नोन एज टेक्निकल स्किल्स. And technical skills exhibits the person's ability to deal with the problems technically. Means जो वो अपनी problems को tackle करता है with the knowledge which he had or she had gained from his own field. And generic skills वो skills होती हैं which an individual learn from the beginning of his life. अपनी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत से ही वो जो skills को adapt करना शुरू करता है. टेक्निकल स्किल्स एंड जेनरिक स्किल्स गो साइड बाय साइड. अब जो उसने कह दिया कि ये दोनों स्किल्स जो होती हैं वो साइड बाय साइड जाती हैं, मींस दोनों पैरेलल है. इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से दैट टेक्निकल स्किल्स आर ऑफ नो वर्थ विदाउट जेनरिक स्किल्स. इन शॉर्ट में हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास टेक्निकल स्किल्स नहीं हुई सो नो वर्थ है, सो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है विदाउट जेनरिक स्किल्स. मीन्स इफ़ वी हैव ए टेक्निकल स्किल्स but we do not have a generic skills, so there is no benefit of it. So these are the inverted commas which are very important. Generic skills may be defined as the term which consists of many skills, that is communication skills, behavioral skills, presentation skills, problem solving skills, etc. Generic skills are not only useful for better employability, but are also very important for leading a prosperous life. मीन्स जो जेनरिक स्किल्स होती हैं वो सिर्फ हेल्प नहीं करती हैं आपको जॉब दिलवाने के लिए, बट वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होती हैं आपकी एक अच्छी ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए. Generic skills are not job specific, but these skills are used in all jobs from entry level to higher level. Generic skills are not only required to gain employment but also to progress with an organization. The degree to which an individual develops these skills determine how they solve problems, write reports, function in teams, manage stress, etc. when they have to cope up with change. The generic skills are typically associated with higher level skills in communication skills, team working skills, problem solving skills, adaptability, lifelong learning, self-esteem, ethics and integrity. These are some 7 generic skills. So we had completed our first page of our chapter. So now the time to take some notes of this page. In this paragraph I had stressed some lines which are: skills are an important part of each and everyone's life. It is important. Then there are 2 types of skills: technical skills or educational skills and generic skills. Skills which are acquired by a person while studying are known as technical skills, and technical skills exhibits the person's ability to deal with the problems technically related to one's own field. Generic skills are the skills which an individual learns from the beginning of his life. Means these all are important. From means this line, skills an important part of each and every. This is important. Skills consist of 2 types, that is technical skills or educational skills. This clear? After that, from this to this, read it, and this is important. Generic skills are not only useful for better employability. Means this paragraph is about the importance of generic skills. This paragraph is about the importance of generic skills. Got it? Then after that, this is important, and these all are the types of generic skills. These are the types of generic skills. So I had made some notes of this page. Now this is the way कि आगे भी हम ऐसे ही करने वाले हैं कि हम एक पेज रीड करेंगे, समझेंगे और उसके कुछ नोट्स लेंगे. क्लियर? अब आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप इसमें इंक्वायरी पूछ सकते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.